Livestock and poultry. Free-range poultry. Description: eggs and meat from free-range chickens, ducks, or quails. Market: health-conscious consumers. Gourmet markets. Considerations: requires space for free-ranging, protection from predators, and proper management. Goat and sheep products. Description: meat, milk, cheese, and wool. Market: ethnic markets, specialty food stores, and textile industries. Considerations: requires appropriate grazing land and animal husbandry skills. Aquaculture. Description: fish, shrimp, and other aquatic animals. Market: local fish markets, restaurants, and export markets. Considerations: requires water resources, tanks or ponds, and knowledge of aquaculture practices. Specialty markets: microgreens and sprouts. Description: young vegetable greens harvested early. Market: health food stores, restaurants, and direct-to-consumer sales. Considerations: can be grown indoors with minimal space and have a quick turnaround time. Flowers and ornamental plants. Description: cut flowers, potted plants, and decorative foliage. Market: florists, garden centers, and direct sales. Considerations: requires knowledge of horticulture and attention to aesthetics. Mushrooms. Description: edible mushrooms like shiitake, oyster, and morels. Market: gourmet restaurants, health food stores, and local markets. Considerations: can be grown indoors or outdoors. Require specific substrates and growing conditions. Diversification and value addition. Agritourism. Description: offering farm tours, educational workshops, and farm-to-table dining experiences. Market: tourists, schools, and local communities. Considerations: requires good marketing, safety measures, and engaging activities. CSA programs community-supported agriculture. Description: subscription-based service where customers receive regular boxes of fresh produce. Market: local communities and health-conscious consumers. Considerations: requires reliable production, distribution, logistics, and customer relationship management. Direct marketing. Description: selling directly to consumers through farmers markets, roadside stands, and online platforms. Market: local consumers, niche markets. Considerations: requires effective marketing, quality control, and customer service. By focusing on high demand, high value products, and considering value added opportunities, you can create a diversified and profitable agricultural business.